Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we will continue with our exercise 1.1 and we are going to solve the last problem. ये मैंने आपको होमवर्क में दिया था बट आई थिंक आप में से कुछ लोगों का सॉल्व नहीं हुआ होगा बिकॉज इट इज क्वाइट टफ. ओके, सो लेट्स सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Okay, it says in adjacent figure this is the triangle. Here PQ, that is PQ is perpendicular on side BC. So we have to write given first. So what is given? The side PQ is perpendicular on BC. So PQ is perpendicular on BC. That means for this triangle and this triangle, PQ will be the height. PQ will be the height. And AD, that is AD also perpendicular on side BC. So again AD is perpendicular on side BC. Okay. So we have to find the ratios of these given triangles on the basis of their area. Okay. So first we are going to solve. The first we have area of triangle PQB. The area of triangle PQB. This triangle. Okay. So it says area of triangle PQB divided by PQB divided by area of triangle PBC. PB and C. It is PBC. It is PB and C. That means this whole triangle. Area of triangle PB and C. It is PBC. We have to write PBC. Okay. So formula of area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. Base into height. Divide by area of this triangle again. It is half into base into height. Okay. So half and half will get cancelled. And here, so now we have to write the base and height also. So here we are solving the base for this triangle PQB. The triangle PQB. The base will be BQ. So base will be BQ into height for this triangle is PQ because it is perpendicular on the side BC. So PQ. Divide by base for triangle PBC. For PBC base will be BC. So we have to write BC into height for this triangle is PQ. So we have to write PQ. So PQ and PQ will get cancelled. So answer will be BQ divided by BC. Okay. So this is the answer for first ratio of triangle PQB and triangle area of triangle PBC. Okay. So this is the first answer. Now we have second one. What is second one? Area of triangle. Area of triangle PQB. This PQB. That means this triangle PQB again same to the area of triangle. No, it is PBC. Okay, it is PBC. It is PBC. Divide by area of triangle ABC. It is A, B and C. Area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle PBC will be half into base into height. Divide by area of this triangle will be again half into base into height. Half and half will get cancelled. So what is base for PBC? Area of triangle PBC. So base will be BC. So we have to write BC into height. Height will be PQ. So we have to write PQ. Divide by the height base for the triangle ABC. ABC के लिए जो बेस होगा वो क्या होगा? BC होगा. So we have to write BC into height for this triangle is AD. So we have to write AD. So BC and BC will get cancelled. So we will have PQ divided by AD, and this is the answer. Okay. So this is the second answer. Likewise, we will solve the third question. Third question says area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADC equals to ABC is this one, ABC. Again, half into base into height. So we have half into base into height. Divide by area of triangle ADC will be again same, half into base into height. Again half and half will get cancelled. So we have base for triangle ABC. For triangle ABC, base will be BC. So we have to write BC into height. Height for triangle ABC. Here ABC height will be AD. So we have to write AD. Divide by. For ADC, base will be for ADC. Base will be DC. Into height will be AD. So AD and AD will get cancelled. So we have BC divided by DC. Okay. So this is the third answer. This is the third answer. Next we have fourth one. Fourth one says area of triangle ADC. ADC divided by area of triangle PQC. We have to write PQC equals to, again formula we have half into base into height. Divide by, again we have half into base into height. Half and half will get cancelled. So we have base of triangle ADC. Triangle ADC, DC will be the base. So we have to write DC into height will be AD. Height will be AD. Divide by base and height for triangle PQC. Triangle PQC. So base will be QC. QC into height. Height will be PQ. It is PQ. PQC and ADC. Yes. So is anything is cancelling? No. So this will be the answer. Okay. So this is the answer for fourth question. Okay. So this is the way we have to calculate the ratio of two different triangle in given figure. Okay. So I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. If not, then please repeat this video again. Okay. So then you will get each and every ratio of given triangles. Okay, so write down. So student, I am giving you the hint to solve the third problem of your exercise 1.1. We have segment PS, that is this one. PS is perpendicular on RS, segment RS, and QT, this is QT, is perpendicular on segment PR. Okay, and given as RQ means this one. RQ is 6, PS is again 6, and PR, this one, PR is 12. Then find QT. This QT we have to find. So you have to check the relation between the triangle PQR, that is PQR, this triangle, and relation between PSR. PSR means PSR, this triangle. Okay. So if you will put the value or formula of half into base into height, you will get, and you will solve, you will get QT equals to 3. So this is the hint. That means पूरा का पूरा तो solve हो गया, but you have to solve it properly. Okay. So this is the part that you have to solve. Okay. So this is nothing but the hint. It is hint for your homework, that for question number 3. Okay. So today we have completed our first exercise 1.1. So by next video we will solve the BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, and we will solve the converse of BPT also. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं next video.